चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
ये
प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स मेडिटेशन
लगातार पूरी डिटेल से आपको बता रहा है। स्वामी विवेकानंद के ध्यान लगाने के बाद 3 दिनों तक यहाँ ध्यान लगाने।
The Prime Minister, and we can see the live visuals coming in from Kanyakumari right now, right outside the rock, that Vivekananda Rock Memorial. The Prime Minister's, it's day 2 and Prime Minister's 45-hour-long meditation has just concluded. And these are visuals coming in exclusively on Republic TV. As you can see on your screens, my colleague Anamika Pandey getting you the latest visuals from the island there. And Prime Minister has now, with the conclusion of polling, and of course in just a few hours from now, we're going to get you the exit polls. The Prime Minister Modi, remember, today had commenced his second day of meditation this morning in Kanyakumari, performing the Surya Namaskar, offering the Arghya to Lord Sun during the sunrise at Vivekanand Rock, where Swami Vivekanand once meditated before he attained enlightenment. And now you can see those live visuals coming in. You can see that jetty that is ready right now. And Prime Minister's 45-long-hour meditation has now ended. The tapasya has ended, as this is the last phase of the polling. Right now you can see live visuals coming in on your screens. The Prime Minister visited the Amman temple earlier ahead of the meditation, and now that 45-hour-long meditation has just concluded. You can see those visuals where the Prime Minister is right now taking a look around, and the heavy security personnel is of course present all around. There is a heavy deployment all around this islet where the Prime Minister is right now, has just concluded his meditation, and his sadhana, his tapasya, his meditation is now complete. You can see the Vivekananda Rock Memorial. There you have, we're zooming into that the statue of Thiruvallavur, and the Prime Minister taking a look around after he came out of that Vivekananda Rock Memorial, the same rock where Swami Vivekananda had meditated in the 19th century. And remember, there were visuals coming in on from this morning where the Prime Minister had performed the Surya Namaskar, offered Arghya, that is offering Jal to Lord Surya. And remember, the politics, of course, rages on. The Congress, in fact, is raising bizarre questions on the Prime Minister's meditation. And even Tamil Nadu government sought High Court's intervention to recover the expenses incurred. Congress asking why does not he worship in Kashi, so on and so forth. Those questions, that politicization of Prime Minister Modi's meditation still continues. But we saw the Prime Minister continuing with his 45-hour-long tapasya, and he has now completed that spiritual sojourn. What we understand is that there is a meeting also today where the top brass of the BJP will be meeting, coming together. And my colleague Ashwin, in fact, is joining us live on the broadcast for more. I believe he's joining us from Kanyakumari. There you have those visuals in those 2 frames that we are getting to you. First, right ahead of the meditation, those visuals, he's in his saffron robe. And in the second frame, you can see he's worshipping Lord Sun, the Surya Devata in Sanatan Dharma. Ashwin, tell us more about what are you witnessing around you right now. We can see the ferry, and we see that the Prime Minister has now finally concluded his 45-hour-long meditation, as the polling also is going to end in a short while from now.